Clear to te lalpa iswa mingin chibai ule tunkar chunga North East India UPC Kohhran RAWNGBAWLNA Chanchin thar clear ni lawngai thlang September ni somni panga tholeni khan North East India UPC Kohhran Missionary Day ni a Kohhran ni poimo ane awangin Kohhran Office Bible College Bookstall School le hmun poimo te khar ani Aizawl khopui chunga tual chung Kohhran tamjok chuan omni khamin roinen he ni hilim takin an hmanga khopui pon lamle thingtlang Kohhran te chuan zan lama an hmang thung kumtin he ni hi ursun taka manchin ani a hemini a tholom le thilpek dangte po missions RAWNGBAWLNA pawla la khom chin ani North East India UPC Kohhran hian tundin huna missionary zasum sari pali aroi meka Mzioram chungba ka state pon heng Delhi Kolkata Arunachal Assam Upper Assam Andaman and Nicobar Bhutan Dimapur North Bengal and Sikkim Orissa te hian RAWNGBAWLNA na athok mek ani General Shwai tu ten heng huna te hian Inkhawmpui Reverend Lalma Somasai lo tui khwatlang Kohhran Reverend Arlerin sang amol pui Kohhran Reverend Zongming Thanza matui khwatlang Kohhran Reverend Arlel Hoya Salem Kohhran Reverend Arla Lighting Puya ITI Kohhran September ni somni panga thole ni zankhan General PYD Conference Rorel na in alo Rahman angin India marchak pum hwapin tongtrai lever program botsai ani Report chungshang kandon atanga alandanin tongtrai lever program hian ngai poimo alo hle a ro kholna awang mangve thelo local claim zong an omti lawa chuan he program hian ngai hlut alo hle a Aizawl khopui chunga mangtu tamjok chuan tongtrai program baka praise and worship program botsai in hlotling takin hun an mang ani General PYD in he program arwam man tilotling tu te zongjong chunga General PYD President Pastor H Laropuya chuan lom thu asoi ani tin hemizan hian tholom lakkom te hi shifts for Christ account na dalu tur ani a bialshang shangten district kaltlangin general a chun lu tur ani Khovel pumhop UPC Kohhran Inkhawmpui General Conference sangni sompariat chu September ni somni panga atangani somni pariat chungkhan Kentucky International Convention Center a nei ani UPCI General Conference a hian chhun lama ministry shang meeting khovel mun shang UPC te ne na tho ho na thajok ngai tu a in hmu khom seminar workshop training nei nileng in hun an hmang thina zan lama praise and worship program le sermon in khoma hun man thin ani zantin income service apeng in world network of prayer le UPCI music ministry ten RAWNGBAWLNA an nei thin bok conference chunga speaker te September ni somni panga thole zan Global Missions Service Speaker Terishok September ni somni paruk ni laizan North American Missions Service Speaker Jack Cunningham September ni somni pasari ni ngani chunu Children's Ministry Service Speaker Wayne Hanley Zirtop zan General Conference Service Speaker Jerry Jones September ni somni pariat Zirtop chunu Youth Ministries Service Speaker Chanchin Zirtop Zana General Superintendent's Message David K. Bernard Asia Regional Director Reverend Lyndon Shaman General Superintendent Reverend Lalma Somasai lo hne UPCI General Conference Report aron thona langsar zinga shwai tu chen khat thlan thar chungchang telin Global Mission Secretary Tharatan Scott Slaydon thlan cho ani a UPCI General Secretary Tharatan Scott Graham an thlang tharbok Reverend Lyndon Shampo Tam Khatchung to Asia Regional Director to Rawat non le ani hemi baka hian Global Missions Paul Epila dollar maktandoi ni chuang an hungal bok khovel pumpuya rambung za samkwa UPC Kohhran hidin ni to in ram pakhat chunga lu chilbing na territory somthum panga avain countries and territories zanhi somni panga adin ani to a UPC in rong ala bolo na ram hi somni chuang omin chungte chu Africa khomalpuya ram pariat Asia khomalpuya ram pathum Central America and Caribbean khomalpuya ram pakhat Europe and Middle East khomalpuya ram panga Pacific khomalpuya ram pathum Social Work Day mandan tur chungchang shatirna October ni hi thole ni hi India marchak Pentecostal PYD ten kumtina kanmanchin ani angin kum in po hian wantlang tana chale tangkai theang beramang tura inbuatsaihna mekin Aizawl City PYD chuan Aizawl khopui chunga bial shang te chu ahu hawa mangle turin Rahman na asiama Aizawl Civil Hospital ti faihna tho tur ani dona hospital tan thuthleng present ani bokang heni hian Aizawl khopui chunga thalai member atam thei angber netlanga thok chuak turin CTPYD chuan min nge na chawhma Darchhawna le achanve atan turni in civil hospital main building kota hun serman turani a bial shangshang te inchiarna nei ngal ani ang natlang turden Collins burle ponchia atam thei angber ken tur ani General Shwai tu te kar top program ngai thak chunjom ila General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo chuan tui khwa tlanga mangin Sunday School a zirtirna ape ang General Missions Director Reverend Arlal Hoy chuan thingsul thiabial Missions Conference sesong veng thara manpuin speaker a atangang September ni somni pakhat atangani somni pathum chungkhan lunglei district South Vanlai Phaibial LED le PYD joint conference voili na chu Darchhawna local hlotling taka nei ani a putlunga si home missionary Evangelist Simon Marchu speaker a man ani September ni somni panhi inrin ni a anrorel thu chuak langsar zwalte LED bialbu fai cham thalo man siam le ni se pastor quarters side table siam le inchung parda siam ni se bial hop seminar nei ni se sangni som pakwa bial LED budget tan cheng singkhat sangni pom ani PYD sangni som pakwa district PYD conference bial hopin kal ni se bial hopin PYD de man pa in sport meet nei ni se laptop computer le ni se pastor quarters a center table set da ni se sangni som pakwa bial budget a cheng singkhat sangkwa zanhi som nga pass ani sangni som pakwa bial LED le PYD Inkhawmpui na munatan Lalthanmawia local road ani September ni somni pakwa indini khan lunglei district then lum Kohhran chuan pathian hne na lom thu choi choi boina inbuatsaihna speaker atan district treasurer Reverend Silarin tuang chungmangin hlim takin hun anmang ani speaker hi Reverend Pilal thanga chuan atoi om September ni somthum pathian ni chanhu hiam pukpui bial PYD buatsain venglai local leadership ti thupui mangin seminar ne ani dona resource person atan district PYD treasurer Evangelist Lalthanmawia sai lo chu man ani ang September ni somni pathum pathian ni khan zolpui local member thar panhi kaushana senglutin swal ngai damna baptisma an changngal lunglei district na thial le theiriata Pentecostal children department PCD tenreli ambuatsai September ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan na thial bial PCD le Sunday school rally chu na thial electric bag ina ambuatsai ani a bial tu pastor ro chungnong ren thlai chuan rally hi hongin atelpui rally a hian quiz lengkhom zai le item shang mangin in elna anneya pathiani zan thleng hian hun an mangdon ani September ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan theriat bial PCD sport cam rally chu don local nei ani a bial tu pastor Reverend R Vanil enga chuan he hun hi hongin bial chung local shang PCD ten sport item pariat mangin inti hlimna anneya September ni somthum pathiani hian inkhom le fellowship ten hun an mang chunjom le ang district PCD shwai tu te po in he hun hi an manpui ani September ni somni pasari ni nga zan atang khan ra si Vengbel Missions Department halak na in Veng Lunbiak in a revival crusade nei ani a speaker atambial to pastor Reverend Silchar pui anroi Theria local Missions Department halak na in September ni somni panhi atanga ni somni panga chung khan crusade bot sai ani a speaker atambial to pastor Reverend R Vanil engale local license holder om tehman anni September ni somni pakwa indi ni zana tangkhan thingsai bial PYD te chuan social work come revival balpui H local an mangtana revival speaker atam bial to pastor H lalomsang anroi thingsai bial PYD te hian a huin October ni a social work day lo thleng tur hi an mangdon ani September ni somni panhi inrin ni khan headquarters bial PYD te chuan nunglei civil hospital a thisen unit somni pakwa an pe Thisen hi mi pa somni pasari le meichia panhi ten pe in civil hospital an pekchil ani Barak district Silchar section te chuan anbial to pastor Reverend Lalthanmawia October thla pension don ta kawangin September ni somni pathum pathian ni khan bial headquarters local nokjatila kaushana anbial huapin thlana program roinen an mang Reverend Lalthanmawia thana program hi evangelist pauza khupa Silchar bial secretary chuan akai shwaya bial chung local tin le bial department IO ten thana thu cha soin thana thil pek shang an hlana bial chunga kaution hote po in thana le du sakna thil pek thanem tak an hlan bok bial kaution pui chuan lalpata na thang achho ani ti entirnan thang chho puan chin tirin thuziak citation moi tak an hlan bok Reverend Lalthanmawia hi kumsang kazakwa samkwa panhia service chanin Barak district bial zongjong headquarters bial Mualhoi bial Silchar bial Haflung bial Jiribam bial le Wangai bial te abial kimvek to a avoin hina atan Silchar bial a hian November sangni Kohhran ron transferin heta hian apen sondon ta ani license hi kumsom thumparia chung akol to a full time a atho hun chung hi kumsom ni pasari ani a nawhlan rongbawlna voi zani somnga pani baptisma voi zathum pali chantirin kaushan hi munli heng bethel borar kap lalpani le lalping punji zawara te lalpan adin sak ani Reverend Lalthanmawia hian bial to pastor Nabaka hian district level at district treasurer, district superintendent, Sunday school director, missions secretary, missions treasurer le district missions director nate alauchel to ani. September ni somni paruk zirtop ni kham Barak district superintendent Reverend H Laramlin chu Silchar bial to in pathiani zanthleng hun amangdona Silchar bial chunga local changshanga rongbawlna aneidon ani. September ni somni paria zirtom ni hian Silchar bial nokzatila local chuan Khangbor local Wangai bial to in anfe chhuak dona work camp an nei pa hal don ani atan zan zirtop zan khan twal upalan ma chhuanan thu soi rongbawlna aneya inrini chhuna biak in sakhnatlang nein zan lama upak pk vai phei chuan thu soi rongbawlna anei thung pathiani zinga evangelist raldoliana le zan lama evangelist pauzakhu paten hun an hmang vele thung don ani North Mizoram District Shwai to the program. District Superintendent Reverend Lalthanmawia chuan September ni somni pasari ningani a district rongbol to tirko te pola retreat botsaya resource person atagin rongbawlna ane tin ni somni pokwa September inrin ni khan swangpui lona choimoina speaker atangbok District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusang chuan September ni somni pokwa inrin ni hian chamari kaushana pathian choimoina oma speaker ni in rongbawlna ane General Sunday School kumpuan kan fate isan himang uti chu North Mizoram District Sunday School shwai tu de chuan khopui chung kaushan shanga campaign nei mekin pathiani kalta September ni somni pathum khan District Sunday School Secretary Evangelist H Larin heta chuan headquarters bial mission veng thlang kaushan tlo in rongbawlna aneya District Sunday School Director Reverend Kemal Somtluangan headquarters bial vek nursery kaushana rongbawlna anebok Mamit bial LED botsai September ni somni panhi atangani somni pathum chung khan Mamit bial headquarters kaushana seminar cum revival meet botsai ani hehuna hian district LED shwai tu te paper botsai zirhavin thiang himna ti unaw nu laldong liani district LED secretary botsai te bufai cham unaw nu kela rokimi district LED treasurer paper botsai le chung komai cham ti unaw nu PC la romoi district LED president paper botsai te anzir hau Inrini zana tengin revival program manga chunzomin atu pathiani zanthleng revival la hunman ani district in rongbol to evangelist Larin Zwala Raya rong abol mek na munzol nombial thingluna bairabi bial bethel kaushante an fe chhuak don bairabi bethel kaushante hian an kaushana tanga rongbol a fe chhuak evangelist Larin Zwala chu rong abol mek na mun thinglun kaushanten an mamo pulpit le thuthleng siam chu hnatlanga ti sakturin kaushan hauten an rela ahunatan October ni thole ni hi an ruat ani Bairabi headquarters local alloy unaw pa je apo in thinglun kaushante tan khwangpek alotiam sakbok ani September ni somni ninga zan khan pang balkon local bel to pastor B vanal ruatan mithar panga kaushana asenglut heng mithar senglu zinga hian no pang pathum omin bel to pastor hian pathian hne na hlanin rongbawlna ane ngalbok hei baka hian chung khat nu le an fanut le rol chulal pa iswang mingin baptisma chantir ngal ani North Mizoram District Headquarters Kaushan PYD te chuan September ni somni pakhata tangani somni pathum mangkhan PYD kumsomruk atlin lomna Diamond Jubilee an lom Diamond Jubilee hi North Mizoram District Headquarters back in tui khwatlanga mangin September ni somni pakhat zirtop jana Jubilee honna le Jubilee meided na bel to Pastor H Zabiakan nein bul antana hemizan hi shwai tu hlui te pola hunman ani angin PYD lo shwai to tu te hne na tangin thu soi toy ngai nom tak tak an ngai thla ani Diamond Jubilee lom chanjan Inkhawmpui President Changlai unaw palal vensangan kai shwain unaw palal du amaral te hne na tangin welcome speech le in mesha tirna hunne ani baka evangelist Sila Rasang hne na tangin headquarters local PYD din kum an chhuidan report ngai thlak ani bok Headquarters local PYD Jubilee Zai Paul Zain Thusoi Toy Reverend K Darchhawna Watlang Nuam Reverend RAWNGBAWLNA Thingsul Thia Unau Pa Lalthanmawia Veng Hnuaiten Thu Toy Chibaibung na ngainom taktak an soibok Hemizan vek hian headquarters PYD din tirlam atangau tun hun thleng PYD hlimthla project tora thlir ho ni bokin PYD shwai tu hluite unau pa H Lalthanmawia Republic twal upa Lalthanmawia khatla headquarters le unau pa Ramzawa veng hnuai headquarters ten chibaibuk na thutoi an soibok ani malzai unau pa larin oman hena tagin nge zai ngai thak ni in headquarters biazai polten fakhla an rembok Headquarters local PYD Tihan Jubilee Paul Hian September ni somni panhi Inrindi Khan Aizawl Civil Hospital damlo momo hena anmanatan thisen unit somni panhi pe in mi pasom pasarile mechia pangaten thisen hi an pe ani September ni somni panhi Inrindi zana tengin Jubilee Revival Program man chawni in Speaker Pastor Lalthanmawia sailo hena tengin pathian thu cha ngai thak ani Jubilee lomna puiber September ni somne pathum pathian ni jing dar somle mini sompanga atanin Jubilee dar PYD shwai tu hluitele rongbol tu poimo ten voice somruk anwa a chumi hnu a biak ina revival Inkhawmpui le in tlaya Jubilee lomna roi che anibo pathian ni zan hian Jubilee speaker atana som Pastor Lalthanmawia sailo hne tangin pathian thu cha ngai thak le ani North Mizoram District Board Rural Angahun Engemuchen North Mizoram District Huamchunga Bial Joint Revival ne chintu MIZORAM ne tur Joint Revival inbuatsaihna MIZORAM Bial chunga kaushan mi puite chuan September ni somhni panhi Inrini Khan Lalthanmawia ne in sumtuak nan kongkam an sama member somsari chuang an thok chuak North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Lalthanmawia chuan pathian nikal ta September ni somhne pathum khan United Pentecostal Church North Mizoram District Serkhan biak inchu pathian hena hlanin ahong biak in hun program hi chama dar som pakhata chanin biak in kota kaushan mi puite ankal khoma District Superintendent chuan sam number zana changkhata changa thu chiarin biak in chulalpa iswa mingin ahong Back in Hon Inkhawmpui Reverend Mzioram Wanabel to Pastor in Akashwaya Evangelist Lalthanmawia to Aser Khana Rongbol to Hena Tangin technical report ngai thak anibok technical report atangin Serkhan back into February thla atanga saktan ni in back into adung fit somthum le awang fit sompariat ni in thaza somngat sen ani back in saktan puina district atangin cheng noi khatsinga mu ni in biale kaushanten cheng singli chuang an tuak bok Back in Hon program hana hian unau nu lalupui in zai RAWNGBAWLNA nein District Superintendent Reverend Lalthanmawia chuan pathian thu cha soin upawan lal awan tun ma Chanchin soin thu toy asoibok ani tlaya back in thar lobna roi hlim takin an kil ho din thar bial to Pastor Reverend Lalthanmawia achulung le district chair hlun bial om South Chongtui Local Missions Department tena anbuatsai revival camping a speaker a tangin RAWNGBAWLNA ane He RAWNGBAWLNA hian September ni sompakwa atangani somhne pathum chung o in hlotling taka hunman ani a campers somli pangalutin tharau thiang hlim dong tharle siam tharna chang enge mozat omin mi pathumin iswa mingin baptisma an changbok camp follow up program atang po in siam tharna dong zelin kaushan hote an hlok le Speaker hi zai thiam ma chani Evangelist C van Aizawl sungsui lalbiak luna ma bawang adin tharle zai onla ram ngai phai nuam ten an pui bom ani North Mizoram District in RAWNGBAWLNA beipui an thak bo zuina na District in RAWNGBAWL tu tirkau mi somni pakhat khoshang shanga aroi mek te pawalin September ni somni pasari ninga ni Nileng Khan Missionary Retreat an buatsai Retreat hi North Mizoram District Headquarters back in tui khwatlanga nein District Superintendent Reverend Lalthanmawia in Inkhawmpui Akashwaya Reverend Charpuya District Secretary le Reverend Kelal Dusanga District Treasurer ten zirtirna anpe RAWNGBAWL to kalkhom te hi anvain mi sompakwani in harsanna awanga tel theilawan ombok Chimtuipui District Superintendent Reverend Thanchunga Sailau District Treasurer Reverend W. L. Thangshe le Reverend Kholi Licha Siaha Sectional Pastor te chuan September ni somni panhi atangani somni pathum chung khan chongte le ache vela RAWNGBAWLNA an nei Rong anbol chu hian local shangshanga kalkwalin mai cham RAWNGBAWLNA an nei china kaushanten an hlok pui hle September ni somni pathum pathian ni khan sia hatla local church board chuan unau pa jonal rin tuanga son of Pastor J chon thanga chu RAWNGBAWL tu atan alathar unau pa J chon thanga hi Calvary Bible College a BTH zirmekin kumin hian azir chhuak dona tual chunga ho huna RAWNGBAWL tu anem he na hun man pui tur ani September ni somni pathum pathiani kham pastor MH Robin Lalthanmawia sectional pastor tuipang chuan bial fangin tuipang ela cholni amanpuya akuta mi som panhi in lalpa iswa mengin swangai damna baptisma anchanga hemirol hian naw hlan rongbawlna ane ngala naw thar mi pathum te chu pathian hena ahlan ani September ni somthum pathiani hian pastor MH Robin Lalthanmawia le tuipang bial PYD le LED shwai tu te chuan Lucky Kohhran te antlo dona district rural bozuinan seminar chung ko mai cham le thiang hlimna ti thu pui chu bial tu pastor Hovin anne pui don ani September ni sompakwa atangkhan siha college veng local 2 a crusade botsai ani he crusade a hian pastor S Vanlal lung ne ma chu speaker tan man ani a Kohhran ten mal somna andongin an hlimhle ni otlanga po evangelist Lalthanmawia chuan September ni sompakwa atangkhan crusade nein mi sompanhi in tharau thiang himandong thar Aizawl East District Noya Bial Changchang te chuan September ni somni pariat zirtop zana tangkhan Bial Missions Department Inkhawmpui an hmangmeka pathiani zan thleng a oang Khawmpui hi Bial chen kha chuan inrini atangkhan rorel Inkhawmin an hmangtang thung District Missions Department le District Kohhran pui shwai tu ten hetiang hian hmun changchanga Bial Missions Inkhawmpui hi an hmanpui District Missions Director Reverend Arlian Zama chuan serchi biala District Missions Treasurer Evangelist Lalthuthunga chuan Bazar le Upper Republic bial District Kohhran pui shwai tu te Reverend Rosanga Kolni Superintendent chuan Bazar biala Reverend Biak Sangzwala District Secretary in Champhai biala Reverend Vanal Felaram Tiam District Treasurer chuan Bethlehem biala ahman pui bok Aizawl East District Missions Department hian kumin October ni somni paruka tangani somni pariat chung hian kho haibiala District Inkhawmpui an hmangdona tuna hian athlengtu tur kho haibial te po na satakin anin bwa sai chhomeka he Inkhawmpui mangtur hian Kohhran member zongjok te kalvek turin min som ani September ni somni pathum pathiani chhnu khan kumsang ni sompakwa Aizawl East District PYD Conference kum somni pangana Silver Jubilee Pola District PYD Fundraising Committee ten T-shirt an siam tlangzar ani Jubilee T-shirt tlangzar na inkhom hi una pa vanlal peka District PYD Treasurer chuan kai shwain Fundraising Committee Chairman twal upa F Lalthanmawia na chuan atlangzara T-shirt hi rong chithum grey blue le maroon na siam ni in color anghong nei le round neck anghong nei lo ni in color hi cheng zathum somnga mantur ni in round neck hi cheng zathum mantura rohman ani T-shirt hi October thla atanghian Aizawl East District Office ramhlun sauta leithei ani ang District PYD Fundraising Committee hian sumtok nang kumsang ni sompakwa calendar siam turin ma an lameka North East India PYD logo thar nem kaina bial le twal chungman tur PYD flag an siama adu tan la order thei reng ani September ni somthi panga tholeni khan Aizawl East District Missions Director Reverend Darchhawna chukum somthum chuang full time RAWNGBAWLNA atho hnuwa pensionin thla ani Reverend Darchhawna thana hi September ni somni pali thotan zan khan thwam pui bek in ahman ani a Reverend Biak Sangzwala District Secretary chuan inkhom akai shwaya he huna hian Reverend KVL mangai kima thwam pui bel tu pastor chuan hun ser mangin unaw nu laldin pari le unaw nu lalshia chungi te hne na chingin fakla ngai thak ani Pension Thana Thilpek District IO in Reverend Vanal Felaram Tiam District Treasurer in Lalthanmawia District Chunga Department Changchang Bial Missions IO Baka twal chung le mi malatengin Thana Thilpek enge mozatlan ani bok Reverend Darchhawna Thana huna hian Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent Reverend R.L. Hoya General Missions Director Reverend Arlian Zama District Mission Secretary le mi enga mozat ne na tingin thu soi ngai thak ani a thu soi tu te hian anui thu le pathian ta na mi inpe rongbawlna ami thanhem ngai tak ani thu te theito palal pa rongbol mi ani thu an soi hlom ani Reverend Darchhawna pension thana hun hi Reverend H.L. Chakunga Bazar Bial tu pastor chuan mal som tong tain ati top ani he huna hian bial chung mai baka bial pon na chok atang po in ama ngai na tu mi enge mozat antel ani Reverend Darchhawna hian kumsang khazakwa somriat panhi khan local license la in sang khazakwa somriat paruka general license alale a kumsang khazakwa somkwa khan ordination license anele ani kumsang khazakwa somriat pariat khan bial tu pastor tan lakne in service chung hian songpui lon bial chingchip bial bazar bial khozol bial Baka Bethlehem bial le Trump bial te avongman ani kumsang ni zomparu khan District Missions Director Mophur na chel chanin pensiona achwa thleng hian Missions Director Mophur na hi achel ani Reverend Darchhawna hian mi sang ni som panga swangai damna baptisma chantirin naw sangkha jani somnga alana nu patuak jani somnga in nei tir manin kaushan panga aphuna kaushan tu cheto pathum tundin na athok man ani hengba ka hian kum sang ni pakwa atanga sang ni som chungkhan executive board member ni in sang ni som atanga sang ni som pakhat chung district revival committee chairman ani baka district motor board chairman building committee member theological board member le thiang himna committee member te aloni to bok ani September ni somni pakhata tangani somni pathum chung khan nalan bia khwang pha kaushan te chuan an kaushan kum somni pangatlin silver jubilee anlom silver jubilee lomna hun hi September ni somni pakhat zirtop jan khan tan ni in alomna puiber chu September ni somni panhi inrini khan man ani a jubilee lungphun honna reverend rosanga koldi district superintendent chuan nein biak in chunga alomna hun man chunjom ani a tlaya jubilee lomna roi hlim takin kaushan hoten an kil ho ani Khwang pha kaushan silver jubilee lomna huna hian reverend rosanga kolni district superintendent pastor arlal famki mahnalan bial to pastor reverend c lazuiliana bongkon baka pastor kelal mimoi east lungdar bial to pastor le evangelist jingai dama usa ten hena tringin thu soi an ngai thachin ani unaw nula nunpui le bial chunga tanga jaimi ten hena tringin fakhla ngai thlak thin ani bok khwang pha kaushan te hituna hian member somriat chuang or chawni in biak in thar an samek bok ani Silver Jubilee anlomna hian bial chunga tingin telpui tu enge mozat omin kaushan hoten lim takin hun an mang ani September ni somni paruk ni lai ni khan district office at district missions department try to 13 church in lan hun an mang he hun hi reverend rosanga kolni district superintendent chuan kai shwain reverend biak sang zwala district secretary hne tingin thu toy ngai thlak ani a tongtain hun amang bok ani thu soi toy district missions director kal chhuak reverend Darchhawna Reverend Arlian Zama Mission Secretary Kalchwak Baka, Reverend Lalrema Evangelist Laramzava, Uparodai Lavazote, Evangelist Lalthutunga Missions Treasurer Tenhena Tringin Ngai Thak Anibok. Hetiang Hian Church in London Ani. Reverend Darchhawna Missions Director Kalchwak Chuan Reverend Arlian Zama, Director thar Hena Church Lanin, Reverend Arlian Zama Secretary Kalchwak Chuan, Evangelist Laramzawa Bethlehem Hena Secretary Mopurna Ahlanbok Ani. Kumin kumchan ve district board khan district missions director reverend Darchhawna pensiona achwa dona wangin district missions try to te hi alawrat to a heng try to 30 hian reverend Darchhawna September ni somni panga a pensiona achwa ta ka wangin September ni somni paruk ni lai ni khan church in hlanna an nei ta ani District Missions Department try to thar church in hlanna nei rol hian district motor board in alawram to angin district driver te po in charge in hlanna hetiang hian an nei ngalbok Superintendent driver unaw pa silal pian thanga chuan Superintendent driver thar unaw pa la nun tuang filan hena hlanin unaw pa la nun tuang fila treasurer driver chuan unaw pa la shwai tuang hena hlana unaw pa arlal englena secretary driver chuan unaw pa silal pian thanga hena hlanin unaw pa la shwai tuang missions driver mo phurna chel thar tur unaw pa arlal englena hena hlan bok ani church in hlanna huna hian district office staff te antel kim hle ani October ni nga atangani sari chunga khozol bialten khozol zu chief field number 1 a Aizawl East district LED Inkhawmpui an thlen turatan inbuatsaihna pai thokhat anita he Inkhawmpui thlengtu tur khozol bialte po na sataka inbuatsaihim pandal sakpo pum ani to a tuna hian a cheimoi na an thok chhole mek ani pandal hi adung fit som kwale awang fit som sari aliana sakni in ahminga tharau in puiti vo ani October ni li ni nga zana pandal hlanna inkhom pandala hian an nei don bok ani tarlan to angin kumina hian thupuya tharawa khatin omrau FSC bunga chang sompria thu man tur ni in thupui chensom hangin unaw nu Mary la lunsangi Bible women unaw nu zai thangleni Bible women unaw nu Dr. la masai Bible women baka unaw nu la changleni saila Bible women le Reverend Biak Sangwala district secretary ten hena tingin thu soi ngai thak thin ani don ani Kumin district LED Inkhawmpui hi avoi somni pangana silver jubilee ani angin ropui takalom tum ani a district LED board kumin jun ni som panga anei chuan conference silver jubilee pol hian ball pen siam lantern balloon chwa baka adu apyang in thei turin thei tui siam ni seti in alorel to a September ni som thum pathiani tlaya twal chung tina chunghei tongtai nei turati ni in district LED try to lo ni to zongjong le tu na ni lai mek tin hena choi moina citation hlad ni se antibok Aizawl East District area di Inkhawmpui hi Myanmar PLM try to te pu in Untitled don bok ani September ni somni panga thole ni khan ser chip cha mari kaushan loi unaw nu pangai thangi ti chung kwa chom pathian choi moina an buat saya kaushan hoten hlim takin hun an mang Speaker Evangelist H Larin Fela an roi ani September ni somni pali thotan ni khan unaw pa Larin Fela ti chung kwa khozol konjar de chom pathian hne lom thi soi choi moina an buat saya September ni somni panga thole ni khan unaw nu Lalthanmawia ti chung kwa chon choi moina hi chun jamin Speaker Pastor Silchar mal soma an mang ani Zemu bok veng pui ka ushante chuan September ni som panga atanga ni somhne pathum chung khan Reverend KVL mangai ki speaker amangin revival crusade an bosai crusade kal zela September ni somhne pathum pathian ni khan ka ushan chuan lom thu soi choi moina nei hlim takin hun an mang ani crusade nei chung hia chuangai damna baptisma bisari mi pasari in changin tharau thiang hlim mi pakhatin adong thar bok ani September ni sompruk pathian ni khan not khole ka Reverend H Lalthanmawia RAWNGBAWLNA kal zela upalal pun moi ti chung kwa chon pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina an neya September ni sompria thole ni khan upazamwang ate chung kwa chon choi moina he an nei le bok hemizan hel mithar pakhat chon swangpui lot bial to pastor Lalthanmawia namte kuta swangai damna baptisma achang ani Reverend H Lalthanmawia RAWNGBAWLNA atang hel mithar panga kaushana senglu anni September ni somhne pathum pathian ni khan champhai bethel kaushana loi turin mi pakhat senglu ani a bial to pastoral mangai omakota swangai damna baptisma achang Evangelist HK mangai te RAWNGBAWLNA armed veng kaushana apo September ni somhne pathum pathian ni jan khan mi pathi in swangai damna baptisma changin anjinga pakhat hi mithar ani ole khatizong khatun chumata North East India UPC kaushan RAWNGBAWLNA Chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak hole the te ani e